Recording in progress.
Hello friends, my name is NABASA Jonathan, and today I wanted to teach you how we can wrap a text in Excel. What do you mean by wrapping? First of all, we need to first understand the meaning of wrapping before we go any further. Wrapping a text in Excel, it means like displaying the cell contents on multiple lines rather than one long line. Like you find having a very long line of words, instead of having that long line, we can just minimize it in one box like this. This will allow you to avoid the truncated column effect, make the text easier to read and better fit for printing. In addition, it will help you to keep the column width consistent throughout the entire worksheet. So let me give you an example on how I'm just going to give you 3 ways on how you can wrap your Excel, your Excel contents in only one sheet. Let's go, in only one cell. Let's go and try it out. So I'm having my Excel sheet here, and I wanted to type something. And then I'll have to show you the 3 ways we can wrap this document. Okay, let me go in cell C. This is column C, and then in law firm. So what we're going to do, let me say, my name is NABASA Jonathan. I'm 23 years old, and I live in Uganda. So this is like this is the cell that we have. This is our text. My name is NABASA Jonathan, and I live in Uganda. When you see this text, it is just in cell C, column C, with LO form. So it is just in this cell. The whole text here, it is just in this cell here. Because once I click here, you'll see the whole word is here up. And once I click here, there's nothing in the text box. There's nothing in the formula bar. There's nothing. When I click here on E, there's nothing. But once I click on C, I think you can see this word. But now, once you leave it like this, that means that when it comes to printing your document, they will not appear. These words, these other words, they will be hidden, like they will hide in these cells. So you'll only print my name. You understand? But now, let me show you the easiest ways we can warp this text to be in just one cell. Let me take you now. So I'm just going to come and click on that part, my name. Then you come and let me show you very well. Okay, this is my name. And then you just come here where there is wrap text. So you just click there like this. Hope you'll be able to see that the whole word has been put in only one cell. My name is NABASA Jonathan. I'm 23 years old, and I live in Uganda. This is one way we can wrap this document. This text. Another way, I told you three ways we can wrap this text. Let's go on the second one. I'm going back, not to wrap the document. And then my second way to wrap this text is to come and I just put my cursor here. And then you right-click your mouth. Just right-click your mouth. And then you'll be able to see format cells. Format cells. So just click on format cells. Once you click format cells, you're able to see number, to see alignment, to see the font, to see the border, to see the fill, protection. So there are very many things you can do to edit this text. However, just come to alignment. Alignment. Once you click on alignment, you just come to text control. And once you reach on the text control, you'll see the first box that wrap text. Once you reach that, just click on that box. And then once you click on this box, come and press enter. Once you click enter, definitely automatically it will be wrapped. That is my second formula. So let me go back to unwrap. Again, I'm just now going to use, how can I call it? Is it abnormal, like, hard way now to do these things? So you're just going to come and press your cursor anywhere. You double click it. And then once you double click it, you can be able to edit. You see? You can be able to edit. So what you're going to do, just press enter. You press enter. Okay. So it will be able like to be taking you to where? To the new text, or what else? You can just come and just copy and paste. Now like this one. So you can be taking it slowly until you reach at the end. Yeah, so like as I'm saying here, you just come and put your cursor anywhere you want. Then what you're going to do, just come and press out, like that's function called out. Then once you press it, then press enter. You see? You press, like you continue pressing out, then enter to automatically be taken. Then we can also come here again, we still press out, still to be like that. Then we come to Jonathan. So we do the same thing. Then I'm 23, still the same thing. Old, do the same thing. Uganda, do the same thing. So you'll be able to see it like that. So basically, these are only 3 ways we can use to wrap our text in Excel. So I'm just requesting you guys, just learn Excel slowly. Take your time. Whenever I'm not available, go in the comment text. Send me a question. I'll be able to answer it. And secondly, try to subscribe to my channel, please. Try to subscribe to my channel. Like my posts, like my videos, in case, anyways, they have helped you. Share with your friends. Why would you be selfish to learn alone? Share with your friends so that at least maybe they can also learn something from Go Use Tech. Comment, share, like, subscribe, and then you'll be supporting me as well. Otherwise, I beg to stop here.